Miraculous neem leaves, native to Indian subcontinent, have been souped up with dozens of benefits.
Welcome to Health Tuber.
Indians have been using neem twigs for ages in order to prevent dental plaque and prevent formation of bacterial infection on the teeth. Neem leaves can directly be applied on the skin in order to treat hair lice just half an hour before taking a shower. Neem leaves also treats intestinal worms in small children which might develop due to dirty hands. A freshly brewed neem tea can work wonders. A little salt and a little black pepper can top up its taste. It can also significantly treat skin infections, skin ulcers, eczema, itching, and ringworms. Neem leaves, when crushed and taken with water, serves its antiviral properties against diseases like malaria and also acts as insect repellent. Most of us have been using camphor balls to prevent winter clothing from insecticides. Neem leaves can be used alternatively without leaving any bad odor. Similarly, they can prevent rice from being worm-eaten. They also help in reducing blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. However, should be avoided by expecting mothers. Moving on to oil preparation. Here I have taken 1 cup neem leaves. I am taking coconut oil along with it. Now we are transferring the neem leaves into the mixie blender. Blend the leaves into a fine paste. A well blended paste helps to draw maximum nutrient out of each particle. To this I am adding 1 cup of coconut oil so that they mix well. Blend them together. The mixture is all ready to cook. Now light on the flame, keep it on the medium mode so that the oil doesn't get burnt at any point of time. It's a time to pour in the mixture into the frying pan. Keep on stirring the oil such that the neem leaves doesn't stick to the bottom. Make sure that the vessel has a strong base so that the neem leaves doesn't get burnt. It's almost 7 to 8 minutes that we have been cooking this oil. It's time to put off the flame. Now you can see we have got a dark green color. Keep on stirring even after switching off the flame because the oil is too hot in order to prevent neem leaves from getting burnt in it. Once your oil cools down, strain it with the help of a tea strainer. You can see we have got a beautiful dark green color loaded with nutrients and medicinal properties. You can separate the excess oil in the mixture like this. Your oil is all ready to use. This leftover residue plays an exquisite role in treating acne and pimple. It can be easily stored in fridge in an airtight container. Anyone who has mistaken it to be a black color, it is a dark green color loaded with nutrients. Thank God for His gift of nature and reap utmost welfare out of it. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell icon for more videos coming up. Like and subscribe my channel and share with all your near and dear ones. Stay tuned.